Hey guys, good morning or afternoon, whatever day it is. But I'm going to do a video for you guys. I'm doing my Birchbox, so let's just get started. Okay, so the first thing is, well, of course, this part. Show you what I have. And then, because of, the thing, that they did a thank you for the people that picked your box and picked out the goodies. So that was really nice. So the packaging wasn't very cute, It wasn't really cute like this. I had to fix it up. The sad thing they didn't have, they put in the padding to protect your items. That was the saddest thing. That's twice. Anyways, let's get started with what I have in here. I'm very excited. Okay, first, I'm going to save that last. First is, my mom wants this. She wants to steal this from me. It's a Kate skincare. It's very expensive. But it's very popular. It's just that. It's a exfoliate treatment. Full price is $85. So yeah, that's all I have to say. My mom wants that. Next is this leap. I'm so tired, people. Lip tint. Just that. A little beauty. It hydrates. You can have it by itself or alone. It has a pink tint, of course. It's the color that's going to go on your lips. Okay, next. It's number 4. It's a hair spray, styling spray. I have this before. I don't need styling sprays, so I think this is going to go in my sister's box. For this guy is full size is 19. Full size of this is 30. Alright. Next is this. Don't know how to say this, but I always have several of their products. This is a BB tinted moist cream. It should just say moisturizer cream, because that just sounds really weird. Anyways, it's a PF of 30, which is this. Full size of this is 35. Not much about it, just what BB creams do. Alright, next is this Duo shampoo and conditioner. Full size is 49, probably for the shampoo, and 32 is for the conditioner. This helps with straightening damaged hair, great for me, and other good stuff. So I liked it. I think I tried this before. No, I had the styling cream for that. Anyways, the last thing I'm so excited I got, and it's coming out of this little container, because it came out of its container. It is Base Blue. Their first time sampling. So also with the display treatment is also first time sampling. Anyways, this little guy is a air sponge. Full size is $6.75. Of course, what it does is just makeup, but it's so cute. It came out as little doodad, so I'll just take it out. Oh my god, that's so soft. That's so soft. That is so cute for like, you know, your under eyes. It's just so cute. Anyways, it came in this and it's, I don't know how it's supposed to, oh, okay, I see what you, and it just was coming out. So that is really cute because I need a sponge. So yeah, that's it. That's what I got. I hope you guys like what I got for this May. And yeah, be safe, love you, and enjoy what kind of weather you have. Enjoy your time. Right now it's 70 and it feels like summer. Yesterday was even hotter. It was in the 80s. So summer's coming. It feels like spring/summer. It feels good. Yeah. And I used my sunscreen yesterday. So yeah. All right. None of this nonsense. Comment, like, and subscribe. Click on the notification bell for more videos. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. No, not tomorrow. And Saturday. Wow, I'm filming a video on Saturday. I wanted to get it up for you guys. Anyways, see you Monday. Bye, guys.